Target. They have some new Star Wars stuff right here. This new Darth Vader helmet right here. There's in the packaging right there. It says Star Wars on Kenobi. Kenobi right there, and there's Vader right there. And Kenobi and Darth Vader dueling right there. This is Darth Vader helmet right there. Looking pretty cool as heck right there. Darth Vader right there. This is Darth Vader voice changing mask right there. Pretty cool as heck right there. Side right here is Vader right there. Looking pretty cool as heck right there. The top right there is the Star Wars on Kenobi right there. And there's Vader on the side right there. Looking pretty cool as heck right there. And right there. Back of the packaging, there's Vader showing in the initial rule of the galaxy. You don't know the power of the dark side, the sound effects it makes. And there's Vader right there on the side right there. Looking pretty cool as heck right there. And let's do the sound effects now.
Don't make me destroy you. Impressive. Most impressive.